Okay, we're in the barn laundry. It's still on the same lot with the house. I think this is all part of the house's power supply. I'm not sure. I'm not sure where this video is going to go. This is a portable shed. It's beyond the scope of this inspection. But here we are. We got some equipment in here. So this is a sub panel. This is a sub panel. We got some neutrals back there, and they're double lugged. Shouldn't be. And this grounding bus bar is bonded to the neutrals, so the neutrals and the grounds should not be bonded together inside of the sub panel. It should go back to the main panel for them to become bonded. What'll happen is you can get stray current that'll go back through this because of the improper bonding. Cable should not be in touch with the panel cover. The breakers are not labeled. Panel was screwed into place instead of nailed into place. And that's that. Switch cover plate. NM cable closer than 6 feet of this shed's floor. Should have been protected inside a conduit. This receptacle outlet over here by this refrigerator or what? Okay, his cover plate's missing. It's not GFCI protected. There's no GFCI. And this kind of conduit right here, this metal, that should have been run down here, closer than 6 feet. Closer than 6 feet to this. And then extension cords should not be used in permanent applications to the laundry equipment. We got some open electric junctions right here. Look at that. Just hanging up. Got some more. Got some more open electric junctions. Okay, and then the closed dryer will come around here. The closed dryer does not have a backdraft vent. So the rest of the building is pretty much showing signs of its age. Let's just say that. Steps aren't dimensionally uniform. That kind of stuff. And again, this is beyond the scope. Oh, metal roof. You can see some daylight over there. Obviously it's been leaking over here and wood rot, in numerous locations. It's a termite nest. Well, it's not a nest, excuse me. I didn't see any. But it's, well, there we go. There's termites right there. That's beyond the scope of this, but yeah. It's a feasting ground for termites. And they've had some. They've had some right there. All those shelter tubes. Look at that. Now, this won't be on the termite report, the WDI, because this is beyond the scope. But I can say this. I can say this because I have that license. So you definitely have some termite activity in the laundry, the barn laundry, I guess is what you call it.